Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are greatly blessed with health and safe and sound at your home. Today, with the grace of Allah Almighty, we will start my lesson, My Lovely Garden, and today we'll do book activity from the book page number 3. On book page number 3, we have the question number 3, fill in the blanks. The point number 1, the seeds did not dash growing. These 4 seeds are dash to grow. What a fine dash you have. The rabbit dash up and dash a few times. Then the rabbit felt very tired and fell. Dear students, read to solve these blanks, you have to read the lesson again and find out the words which can suit here. Which is the correct answer of these blanks. Hope you will be able to understand and solve it. Next, question number 4. Who said the following statements? Here are some statements. We have to find out who spoke these words. Who is the speaker of these statements? We have to find out. The answer of these statements is only possible if we read the lesson again. Like, I wish I had a garden. Who said? Remember and recall. If you can't do, then you may read the lesson again. You will be able to understand and fill the blanks easily. Point number, I wish I had a garden. No seeds start growing. Look at your garden. It is very nice, but it was very hard. At last my seeds start growing. Dear students, the answer of these statements is only possible if you read the lesson again from book lesson My Lovely Garden. Okay, next move. That is very important part of the today lesson, simple past and past continuous. To understand this lesson, there is an image. It means this girl is reading a book. Razia was reading a book. It means this girl name is Razia. What was she doing? She was reading a book. Reading a book is an action. An action is called the verb. A book. What's the status of the book? We have to also find what's the status of the Razia. We have to also find. Razia is a doer of an action. Doer of an action is called subject. An action is called the verb. A book, which is object, which is a receiving an action, and a book is a receiver of an action in this sentence. So a book is an object, subject, doer of an action, verb an action, object, receiver of an action. Let's see again. Razia is a subject in this sentence. What is was reading is a verb in this sentence. A book is an object in this sentence. If we know subject, verb and object, we can easily make new sentences. Which in a sentences, these 3 elements are present. Razia was reading a book. Razia is the subject, was reading an action of the Razia, where the Razia is performing her action on a book. So Razia was reading a book. Razia is a subject. Was reading is a verb. A book is an object. Okay. Tenses. Tenses is a study of an action in context of time. There are three types of the time, three forms of the times. This baby girl, it means this is her childhood. This is a young girl. This is a third part. It means a baby was born. We consider that today is second picture shows that second image shows that she is playing in the garden. It means it's, this is her present, and after some years she will become a lady, an old lady. It means we consider it again with a few years ago a baby was born. After 15 years she became young, and after 30 years or 40 years she will become old. It means there are three types of the time. One is the past, that was about the childhood, and second one is her present time, that is present, and after a time that will come after few years, that is a future tense. Let's give them name. This is present. Past, after few years this lady will become an old lady. We have the three types, three dimension of in which we use the tense. Like if we give the name present simple or present indefinite. Second one is present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Same is the case we can make past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Let's see them further. This picture shows that a person is growing seeds. For example, the name of this girl is Aisha. Aisha planted the seeds yesterday. In this sentence, Aisha is a subject, planted is a second form of verb. It means in the past continuous tense we use the second form of the verb. What is the object in this sentence? The seeds. Aisha is the subject, planted is the second form of verb. Planted is the second form of the verb. The seeds is the first is the seed is an object in this sentence, and yesterday is an adverb of time. It means in present, in simple past we use the second form of the verb. When we use the simple past is used to talk about an action that took place in the past. Like Aisha planted the seeds yesterday. It means yesterday tell us about the past time. This is syntax, subject, second form of verb, and then object. Let's move ahead. Ali and Ahmad were planting the seeds at night. It means this is also time of the past. At night means it's also time of past. But planting tell us that an action was continued. There are two There are two persons, Ali and Ahmed. Ali and Ahmed both are subject because both are performing an action. Verb planting. Verb planting shows that in action we will use either was or were with the verb, and we will add like plant. Plant is also verb, and we add ing in this sentence to make the planting. The seeds is the object. At night tell that it's about the time. It means this is about the past. What's the sentence structure of this? Subject, was, verb. We have to use either was or were. We will use the verb with the ing form. Then we will use object. Object is optional. There are some sentences which don't have the object. Past continuous is used to talk about an action that was in progress. It means that was continue at a particular time in the past. It means we were used past continuous about the time that was of the past, and action that was continue in the particular at a particular time in the past. Dear students, you will solve the book activity from the book page number 4. If you have the problem, you may share with me. Hope you will be able to understand. Thank you.